Alright traders, welcome to my channel again. I quickly want to take little of your time to explain one of the institutional reference points that we might have been conversant with before on the chart. So I don't want to take too much of our time. Let us go straight to the point. It is what I called liquidity void. Liquidity void. What is a liquidity void? A liquidity void is a significant imbalance in the market. This is when price move rapidly to a direction. It is an abruption in price movement, a rapid price movement to a particular direction, leaving behind an imbalance or a space, a gap between the buyer and the sellers. This is actually caused either during this event or a process when the market, the one side of the market is very strong, either bullish or bearish, or the process whereby price has been consolidating for a few time, and then price decided that it's going to move to a direction, and then it break out and move rapidly to that direction. That is when a liquidity void is being created on the chart. Now let me show you what it looks like with my marker and my board. When you see price either consolidating, price started consolidating, and then at the end of the day price decide to move rapidly to a direction. Price move rapidly to a direction and then begin to consolidate again. This is a liquidity void. It could be in any form. It could be like this, it could be like this, and price begin to consolidate again. This is a liquidity void. Price move rapidly to a direction. This actually shows that there is no proper exchange in the market. There is no proper order, a balanced order in the market. It show little or no activity in the market. And mind you, this gap is going to be filled in the future. Price would gradually comes down or goes up to fill this kind of large space. Price is definitely going to fill it at the end of the day. So this is a very strong institutional reference point in the market, and whenever I see this, for me, I'm always happy because I know that this would actually cause either break of structure or a change of character, and I want to straight away look for my POI. I want to start planning my POIs, and then think of what I want to see to take my trade. So this is very simple. It might be to the downside, price might be consolidating and then breaks to the downside. Yes, this is an abruption or a rapid movement in the market to a direction, and then price continues to consolidate, and then at the end of the day it will go back to fill the order. That is it, traders. It is not hard, it is not difficult. Just believe this is what will happen. Just believe this is what will happen in the market over and over again. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.